Welcome to Eventua, an e-commerce website for costumes. So Eventua has basically four themes, that is Indian dances, superheroes, profession and party themes. Here we added the slideshow. Now if you want to shop for a party wear, you have to click on this shop button. If you want to go for a professional wear, you click on shop button. If you want to go for a superhero's wear, you have to click on this shop button. And if you want to purchase dance costume, so you have to click on this shop button. And here is the footer which tells about us. We provide good quality articles on affordable price at your doorsteps in a blink of an eye. And here is the quick links of profession, party themes, Indian dances and superheroes. You can contact us at the rate Eventua and you can easily follow us on GitHub and LinkedIn. Now, if you are new to Eventua, you have to sign up for the first. And let's suppose I'm new to Eventua, so I'll sign up for the first. And here I'm adding the password. Let's click on sign up. New user created. Alright, so now we have to sign in for the same. We have to provide email address and the password. Sign in. So our name is displayed on the screen. So now let's do shopping. Alright, now first go to party themes. And here the party themes closet. If you want to shop for a Diwali party, take a look. Here we had added the hovers for Garba, Halloween, Christmas costumes and much more. Now let's shop for the profession ones. Career costume for adults. You can easily get your desired costumes. Career costume for boys, buff profession costumes and the miscellaneous one. Now let's shop for the superheroes. Superhero costumes, Cinderella costumes, character costume for kid, funny costumes for kid and the miscellaneous one. Now if you want to go for our Indian dances, here we have wide variety of Indian dances closet. Now if you want to shop for a Bharatnatyam dance costumes, you can easily click on any desired dresses. Kuchipudi dance costumes, Odissi dance costumes, Kathakali one, and the Manipuri dance costumes, Rajasthani dance costumes, Kashmiri dance costumes, and the miscellaneous one. Now let's do the shopping. Alright, let's suppose I want to go for this dress. Now here we added the basic description of this dress, product info, return and refund policy, and a short description about this product. Now add to cart, and one item is added on the cart. Now let's suppose we have to go for Indian dances. Select your desired costumes. Add to cart. A two item is in our cart. Now if you want to go for superheroes costume, select the one. Add to cart and then now click on this button. Here you can easily remove. If you don't want to go for this dress, you can remove it from here. Now if you want to add some more dresses, you can easily add it. Now go to checkout button. Now let's suppose if you want to go for one more dress of this costume, Dr. Strumps, you can easily add or less the desired costumes. Now your subtotal is 9775. Shipping is totally free and you can easily pay via card. Alright, so here you have to add your details, payment info. We have already provided the card details of mine, So you have to insert your own card details. Now pay money. Your total is 9775. Now pay. Alright. Now Eventua says thank you for the payment. Your payment is done and your order is placed. Thank you. That is all about Eventua.